Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another day, another vlog. Today is Saturday, and so I took my new camera Insta360 X5. So we decided to go for a small trials. So you know the name Nandi Hills. So we are not going Nandi Hills by the bike. Like we are going bike only, but not the bike way. We are going to explore by the Putway. There is a Putway is there near to Sultanpete. So we are going that route today. So along with me today I have Puneet, and so we both are starting our journey from here, and it's almost 7:30, and the Bangalore weather from last few days it feels very crazy and it's too cold, and let's see on the road. Yeah, Boganandi. Oh. This is Boganandi. Actually, after the Boganandishwara temple, the Nandi, here you can see this place. This place called Sultanpete. At Sultanpete, there is a temple is there. So there they wrote this one. You can see here. It's for the way, like the putway to the Nandi Hills. So here we need to take the inside, and we need to go inside this village. It's a small village, and if you ask some other guy also in this Sultanpete, they will guide you to where this place to go. You can see guys, that is Nandi Betta actually. So now we are going to for a trekking by using the steps. Hello. So actually we parked our bike here, and this is the way for the steps, and here we go. BB Explorers, bro. Here, and this is Suresh sir from IBM and Puneet, and so we three are started here today. So let's get started from here.
Let's explore ಅನ್ನೋ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ.
For this trek you don't need to pay anything. You just need to pay 20 rupees for your bike parking and the car parking. That's it. There is no need to book the tickets and all for this. It's a free, so you need to come at any time for this trekking here. It's almost 2 kilometers.
ತಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು
if you are a beginner trekker, if you want to do for a beginning trekking, and this is the one of the best trekking I can suggest for you, because it's just a 2 kilometer trail, and here a lot of people will always walks, and so you can go for this trek, and it will take you max 1 hour or 1.5 hours to go this trek. It will almost just a 2 kilometer only, and it's all like from Bangalore it's 60 kilometer, and it will take you 1 hours. So there is no need to book and anything. You can come at any time and you can climb the this hill, Nandi Hills. Another thing is, in this video we are not going to the view, because we already came lot of times, so we just exploring this pathway, so like how the walkway looks. This is the first time we are coming for this walkway, and we intend to show you the how the walkway is there. And here, if you, when you are going here, like you will first find the temple that is called Veerabhadreshwar Swami, so you can get a darshana from here, like from the god of Veerabhadreshwara, and it's in the downside of the hills. So you can see this is the so there's a Gavi Veerabhadreshwara Swami Devasthana, and here you can get a blessing and you can go forward.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet.
Here this place is actually called Tipu Sultan summer house. So, and after this, like you can go for other places, and there is a, it will go to the sunrise trek, and there again you can go there, and this way leads to us to the Pushkarani is there, and we can go there now, and I will show you the parking area right there, and we'll go till there and we'll come back. The thing is, the Nandi Hills trekking by the footway is an easy trekking, so you can you are just a starter, so you can go for easy this one. It almost take you 2 hours, and above Veerabhadreshwar Swami, and you can go for the sunset point also, and after that you will get a good breakfast here. So we tried that one. It is a very recommended breakfast, was very good, and so you can have a breakfast here, and after that you can leave from here. Like for us, almost it took 2.3 hours to complete enter the trek. So it's just an easy trek, and the guys, like easily we can do this one entire trek in a 2.5 hours. It's a recommended trek. This is actually first time I'm trying the logs in Insta360 X5, so I don't know how it goes and all. Like if anything, please comment and let us know, like we need to improve and all. Thank you.